Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Actually, today we're going to unbox a Panasonic Single Line Digital Cordless Telephone. So this is a product I ordered from Flipkart.com. Even this product is available in Amazon India as well. And this product actually, why I'm ordering, right? Like now, why you are using this cordless telephone, right? I mean, the thing is, so we recently bought in broadband. So this is a Airtel broadband. So Airtel broadband comes with a, landline free. I mean, this STD, you can make a STD and IST, STD and local calls free. Even mobile calls also. For that purpose, actually, I was looking for some kind of a normal telephone, but I thought of using a wireless cordless telephone. So here is the one, guys. So here is they mentioned actually these are very good reviews actually in Amazon, because this is like a display is a bit more like when big size actually when compared to other products. So the product number actually this is so it's enhanced free night mode and secure hands grip, and also can store a lot of it's a frequency 2.4 gigahertz and a power backup option. A lot of good options guys. Actually the price I mentioned it's around 3,100 rupees, but actually during this offers you can get it around some 2,500 rupees if you're in India. Okay, you can actually, when the power goes up, right, you can the base and whatever the receiver we have, that will act as a power supply, so that even in case of power outage also we can without lifting the receiver, right, we can talk actually. Okay, if you have UPS you don't need to worry about anything. Okay, and there are a lot of options you can do, so base boost, base normal, base turbo and everything. Also this is really good one, guys. Actually let's unbox to see what's inside. The only disadvantages I actually feel that Panasonic, not just a Panasonic, actually there's cell phones has evolved so much, guys. Actually you can start from the digital screens, small screens and big mobiles and so much. Okay, but the cordless phones is not evolved as as much as normal mobile phones evolved. It just looks like actually inside the display and user interface it looks like a regular old phones. Okay, so it looks like the charger is not there. It is not charged. That is the reason I'm not able to show anything. Maybe or maybe I need to put in a battery to get it on. But it's really the thing is, right, it looks elegant. Okay, and there is a battery, guys. Actually you need to put it the battery, then giving the battery inside. Okay, let me check the batteries. So here's a battery, guys. Actually they're giving this nickel cadmium batteries. So that one actually it's I can need to use it for charging. It's a rechargeable nickel mAh battery. The battery also backup also really good actually. Even I checked, I tested for other phones. It gives like a fair amount of the backup. Okay, and this is the power socket. So this power socket you need to connect the power socket all the time to make it work. Okay, it's really like it doesn't consume much power, but it's really good. Okay, you should not supposed to use any other chargers. Okay, but and also one more thing, this phone supports only 2.4 gigahertz frequency. Okay, so what is the advantage of 2.4 gigahertz frequency support is that this provides a very good signal quality. It also reduces chances of call drops. Okay, and also they give instructions of manuals, so where you can refer if you have any questions or anything like how to set up or undo everything. Okay, and also they give some kind of warranty box. This is the actual receiver, guys. Actual base station. Okay, so where you can put it your phone. Okay, for charging and all, but it really looks like elegant and premium. Okay, yeah, and in the back side I want to tell. Okay, so there are like a couple of the ports I wanted to explain. So one port is for audio jack. Actually these are wall mountable, guys. Okay, I'll show you in the video like how I wall mounted. So this is the one, it can hold perfectly. It can hold perfectly. This is the way you can hold, and it wall mounts very well. Okay, Yeah, let me take this battery and put it on the phone. I'm cutting it now. I'm not sure if we can use regular batteries, okay, but I'm not tried with this. So this is like 1.2 volts nickel MH battery. I'm connecting it right now. Okay, they're given the instructions on how to connect actually which polarity. Okay, so it's very simple. I can just connect it over there. So as soon as you connect, right, you can see that it's starting up, and you can so where you can set your time, date and all. So this is the actually display, guys. Inside actually you can see some kind of if you could see there like 1100 or some kind of old Nokia phones. So you can get like that kind of display, but the display is very good actually when compared to other Panasonic phones or any kind of cordless phones in this range, where you can see like a full all the text, words and everything is clearly visible. Okay, so actually as of now it's not connected to that so we need to connect it to the adapter to get it started. Okay, so this is the adapter, guys. Actually need to connect this base station, base unit with the adapter. Okay, and also you can do kind of an intercom. For example, if you have the base station, right, like press that button and this intercom would ring automatically. Okay, so they are also given some kind of a phone cable, so we can connect it backside. I'm going to connect it right now. So there is some port. Okay, so I'm connecting it one for the power socket and another one for the telephone line. Okay, so this telephone line, so we have to connect it to our modem, whatever the router, right? Actually usually in the Airtel fiber or any kind of fiber routers, I'll be having a telephone line similar to this, so that telephone line we have to connect it. Okay, and also it's like wall mount, you can wall mount. Okay, so I'm also going to show you like how I connected my broadband. Yeah, let's see that. Okay, yes friends, actually this is my Airtel broadband, Airtel fiber wire, actually fiber modem. This is a Huawei modem. So in this Huawei modem it has like a telephone port. Okay, so from there, so I've taken one of the line, okay, and connected to this Panasonic. Yeah, I connected it to this one telephone port. So and connected to the power socket. Okay, so this is a wall mount. I have used a more wall mount setup. Okay, so that's all the setup. Okay, just we'll hang it over here. Okay, okay, and this is the receiver. Okay, so I already connected to the power, so now we can see it's charging. So you can see it's it's charging. For example, we can connect from our this is the base to receiver. Okay, let's just press this button. Okay, the base will start running. Okay, and one more option I know is actually you can, when there is a power off, so sometimes, right, if the base power is off from your receiver, this will working. Okay, but maybe if you're getting incoming call, maybe you can start receiving the calls here. Okay, let's see the other options like dial and ring and all. So eventually, like, we have the time settings. That's all, guys. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, you can post in the comment section. Also, please like this video and subscribe our channel. You can share with your friends. So that's all, guys. We'll catch up in the next video. Bye bye, take care.